Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by measuring and combining the base ingredients so the paste behaves predictably. Mix 1 part PVA glue with 1 part premixed joint compound and add 1/2 part acrylic paint to tint. The glue gives flexibility while the compound adds body. Stir slowly to avoid air bubbles, scraping sides. Consistency should hold peaks but still spreadable. Once mixed, test a small amount on scrap to gauge drying time and adjust with tiny water increments to reach the desired stiffness. Once the base is ready, refine texture and performance by adding fillers and modifiers. This is where control matters. Fold in 5-15% fine fillers such as talc or micro balloons to increase body without thinning, and consider 1-2 drops of silicone or liquid latex per cup to improve flexibility and prevent cracking. Make sure you sieve the mix if any lumps form, then test push and hold with a palette knife to confirm it keeps raised shapes. If too stiff, add water sparingly and mix thoroughly until even. Now apply the paste onto your surface using a palette knife or piping bag for sculpted shapes. Lay down 2 4mm layers and build gradually to avoid sagging. Smooth edges with a wet spatula and allow each layer to set. Thin pieces dry in about 24 hours, thicker details may need 48 hours. Make sure to cure in a dust-free area with moderate airflow. If you see hairline cracks, rehydrate lightly and apply a thin PVA glaze, or rework the area with added flex agent to prevent further splitting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.